guys, welcome back. Today we are gonna do all the final prep stuff for the S13 before paint. The main thing that I'm gonna be doing, the one that's gonna be kind of tough because I've never done anything like this, is re-fiberglassing my over fenders. So let me show you guys the damage on them that I was just gonna leave, but Derek convinced me to go buy the stuff. So I went and bought fiberglass sheets, I bought bondo, and I bought resin. And I'm gonna go back over the both the over fenders and fix them up. So let me show you guys the damage. You know, these cracks right here, this, you know, being pretty bad over here. So then there's a little bit more damage here in this corner, here where my little quick release is. And then this got hit with a bash bar at an event. It's mostly covered by the rear bumper, but it still shows a little bit, so I'm probably gonna lay some sheets behind that, try to fix that up. Kind of same area, this corner where the quick release goes, and the worst of it is this crack right here. The main thing is that I have to drill all my rivets out because they're riveted in, not self-tapered. So I'm gonna drill all the rivets out. Trevor's coming over to help me. I'm gonna go ahead and get started, just kind of drilling out the rivets. It's gonna take a little time. So I'll get started on that till he gets here, and hopefully it's not too bad. I've never done fiberglassing work, so we'll see. All right, Trevor just got here. All right. So you guys are probably wondering why Trevor brought all these brand new tires and wheels. Oh yeah. I didn't tell you guys, but yesterday we picked up something that I have always wanted to have my own of, and so my buddy Brian and we went in, bought it together. Oh yeah, we got our own tire machine. I have always wanted my own tire machine just because it's super cool to just be able to do your own tires, especially, you know, when you're prepping for drift events like this. So tire machine, stoked to have it. So we're gonna be able to start doing our own tires, which I'm pretty stoked about.
Me too.
How stoked are you?
I'm really stoked.
Scale of 1 to a bajillion.
Probably a bajillion.
Bajillion, yeah. Nice. All right, we're gonna get started. Well, I'm gonna get started on the car, and I was just kind of cleaning up the garage, and Trevor's gonna probably start mounting some tires. Boom. So with rivets, you basically just get a drill bit bigger than what the rivet would be, and then just drill it out. It's pretty simple. I should probably be doing this with two hands so I don't crack this fiberglass when it goes in. All right, I'm gonna keep drilling the rest of these out. Trevor, you having fun mounting tires?
No.
Guys, this is the first time I've ever taken these over fenders off. I had no idea what to expect underneath them. Old white paint, a little bit of rust. Okay, so all we did was cut strips out of the fiberglass. We probably shouldn't leave this on the ground. Put it over there on the ground. All right, so we cut some strips, laid the resin, laid the fiberglass strip, laid more resin, fiberglass strip, more resin, fiberglass strip. Basically just repeated that process. Those are those 3 holes. All right, show you guys this one in some more detail. Brush on the resin. You only got about 8 to 12 minutes, it says, to work with the resin before it gets too hard. It goes pretty quick. So boom, we put the resin on. We're gonna lay our first strip. Again, kind of going over where we want so we can trim it later. Dude, we might have to put a clamp on this one.
We don't have any more clamps.
Might have to take one of the other ones off.
It's still setting up. You don't want to...
Well, this one's gonna dry hella weird.
Do you have a weight or something you can...
Oh, I have another C clamp. It's just one of the big ones.
That's fine. Grab it.
All right, guys. I ended up needing 2 hands, so we really only got that one clip of me explaining what we're doing. Because we also didn't have any more clamps and stuff. So this one I'm kind of worried about because it's not perfectly lined up. Like this piece right here is kind of kicked up a little bit. So we tried to weigh it down. I'm out of like clamps and wood, and we weighed this side down. What's up, guys? It is the next day. I have been working on this thing like every night this week, so I'm kind of losing track of the days. This video is going to be a little mixed around. I'm sorry about that. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and take the over fenders, bring them outside here, get ready to start sanding those, and probably do a little time lapse. Winston, you coming to help me? You know how to do bondo work? Okay. Alright guys, sorry for such a mix of videos, but it's the next day. I finished sanding down all the bondo and re-primering the over fenders. The car is pretty much ready. I have to hit the entire car with a Scotch-Brite pad, and then it's actually ready. Derek is painting it tomorrow, alright? And I actually just found that out because I thought that he was gonna be painting it Sunday, but turns out tomorrow. So I'm kind of stressing because I got to get the garage ready. I got to put plastic up. I got to move a lot of this stuff out of here. Trevor's here to help me out, along with mounting some tires and stuff. Kyle's going to be coming over to help me out, and yeah. booth is almost done.
She's getting there.
Almost there. Just gonna do this wall. We're gonna leave a little section. I'm gonna clear off my my workbench. Leave a little section for us to have a little paint bench area. Put the paint. Cover up the tire machine and all that. We're almost there. All right, guys, we are done with the booth. Got plastic all over the garage. Left the workbench open a little bit, and I think we're ready to go. We're gonna remask the car. We peeled off all the masking tape and all the paper because
B sucks at masking.
Because I suck at masking. I already showed you guys that. My side sucked. But two, because after you primer, you usually want to peel it all so you can dust everything out, get all the primer that you sanded out of the cracks and everything, and then re-tape it off, remask it. And we're pretty much gonna be there. The only thing is tomorrow we're gonna roll the car out, sweep out the entire garage and all that, so that'll be tomorrow's video. But yeah, we're pretty much there. So I'm gonna end this video for tonight. We're gonna remask the car. You guys have already seen us do that, so I'm not gonna show it again. We'll remask it. Tomorrow, we paint. All right, guys. Thanks for the help, Ryan. Thanks for the help, Kyle. Say bye. We'll see you guys later. Peace.